What is up, guys? Here I've got the DJI Mini 5 Pro as well as the Air 3S, and both of these drones are rated at 26 miles per hour max wind resistance. But I don't quite believe it. So today I'm going to test it out with my official Flying Filmmaker wind speed tester. This thing says on it it'll create 230 mile per hour winds, so should be a pretty good test. So first up, let's try out the Air 3S. Let's see what happens. I would say quite impressive for a 230 mile an hour leaf blower. By the way, if you're enjoying this test and me risking my drones to test them out, you can just go right down below this video and click on the subscribe button and click the bell next to it so you don't miss any future videos like this, including my full Mini 5 Pro versus DJI Air 3S comparison. And next up, the Mini 5 Pro. I hope I don't crash this thing testing it. And here we go. Underwhelming performance. And here we go, 230 miles an hour. Whoa! Whoa! So yeah, there you have the Mini 5 Pro. As you can see, it's not nearly as resistant to extremely high wind speeds. It will start going all over the place and almost crashed. Now obviously this is a super unrealistic test with 230 mile per hour winds in a very small targeted area, but it does show the difference that a larger and heavier drone makes for stability in the wind. Now both of these drones will be fine in 26 mile per hour winds, which is what they're rated for. DJI is obviously being a little bit conservative here, especially with the Air 3S. It can handle a fair bit more than 26 miles per hour. But even though the Mini 5 Pro does extremely impressively well, especially considering how small and light it is, you are going to be able to fly in a lot higher winds, and the drone is going to be a lot more stable, bouncing around a lot less in higher winds with a larger drone like the Air 3S, or even more so with something like the Mavic 4 Pro. And that is very much backed up by my experience flying both of these drones in high winds, not just from hitting them with a leaf blower. And if you want to learn how to get professional cinematic shots with either of these drones or whatever drone you have, I put together a completely free 45-minute drone filmmaking training where I share my top 10 secrets to getting cinematic shots. Link to that is down in the description. Again, completely free, no strings attached. If you've enjoyed this test, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to see my full comparison between these two drones, and I'll see you in the next one.